How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of fever blisters in 1 day, step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So fever blisters are also known as cold sores. You can get fever blisters if you get a really high fever. You also can get them if you're super run down, your immune system is low, you're not getting enough sleep, maybe your diet isn't very good. It's basically when you're feeling really run down with a low immune system that the blisters like to come out. Now, what happens with fever blisters is the virus remains dormant inside your jaw, and it waits until your immune system is low, and then it will start to come out. I used to get blisters at least once a month or once every other month when I had a very stressful job. Since changing jobs, I used to get a fever blister once a year. Now, what I have done, and this is the only thing that works, is to get what's called Valtrex. Valtrex is the only thing that works. You can get it from your doctor. You might be able to get it at a pharmacy, but I'm pretty sure you have to get a prescription from your doctor. And honestly, the best stuff is going to be prescriptions. So here's why I say Valtrex. Valtrex is literally a pill that you take. Valtrex attacks the virus. If you're using topical creams such as Abreva, lysine oil, tea tree oil, what is the other one? I'm trying to think here. I can't remember it. There's lots of different topical creams. Zovarex, that's what it is. Lots of different topical creams. Why do topical creams not work? Because this is a virus. Using a topical cream to fight a virus would be like applying Vaseline to your forehead if you have a headache. It makes no sense and it does not work. So all topical creams do not work. I've used them for years before I found Valtrex, and every single time I got a cold sore, like you know the thing, when you feel the tingly stage, you apply the Abreva or whatever, guess what? The cold sore still appears. It's because you can't fight a virus with a topical cream. They do not work at all. The Valtrex, though, when you feel that tingly stage, you take the recommended amount of Valtrex and boom, it's gone. It does not appear. I haven't had a cold sore in 6 years since taking the Valtrex. So usually once a year, I'll feel the cold sore coming on. I'll take the Valtrex, boom. Another year goes by, I feel it coming on, Valtrex, boom, doesn't come at all. It is literally a lifesaver. It's the only thing I recommend. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.